welcome to another vlog. And today's video, I'm going to share to you our home favorite fried chicken. Again, thank you for watching the white chicken, the cooking episode series, and the unboxing and the vlogs that I have. Thank you so much, and thank you for supporting this channel. With FC again, she's already cooking, but I will put all the ingredients down in the description box below. Please do check on that, and I will always starting the vlog as well, the details, so it's easier to read and to follow instructions. And I hope you like this video too. If you have lots of chicken legs, you must try this. It's really good. But let's begin!
Brown sugar and paminta. Pero ilan calamansi? Ilan? 6. Ito yung flour na ilang kutsara? Kalahati. Kalahati. Oo, yung sauce niya. Ilang kutsara? Okay. Gano'ng karami?
Please do try that out at home. Comment down below if you have tried. I'd love to know, and reach me on my Instagram. I'd love to hear it. And